This video is to provide substitutes with a quick overview of the substitute website access. Once logged in, substitutes will see the defaulted home screen. To the left is the job search section. This feature is not currently enabled at this time. The only way to receive subbing jobs is when our system calls a substitute by phone. My current active jobs displays a listing of all upcoming accepted assignments. To view the details of each job or to cancel your assignment, you can click on the gray arrow to expand the selected job. Information of the job will be displayed, including any instructions that are left by the employee or building administrators, as well as the address and phone number of the location that the substitute is reporting to. Please note, if you do need to cancel your job, be aware you are canceling out for the entirety of the position. If you have a multi-day assignment and only need to cancel a select day or dates, please call the building of the assignment. Again, their phone number is listed in the job details. Next is My Finished Jobs, which displays a listing of all completed assignments. Substitutes can review their current, active, and finished jobs in the My Calendar tab as well. They are shown in a calendar view rather than a listing here. By clicking on the job number, substitutes can view the details of each job and can cancel an assignment if needed. The canceled jobs section shows whole jobs that have been canceled either by the employee or the administrator and appear here for reference only. The Unavailable tab displays any dates of unavailability that have been entered into our system in which the substitute is unavailable to work. These can be edited by clicking on the pencil icon or can be removed by clicking on the trash can. Please note that there is a max of a 30-day date span per entry. However, the number of entries is unlimited. Dates of unavailability can be added by clicking on the Add Unavailability next to the gray plus sign. Substitutes can select a specific date or date range that they are unavailable to work, as well as the time and duration if it's all day or a set time. And they can indicate whether or not they would like to receive future calls by checking the box during the date of unavailability. For those that are interested in the Smart Find Express mobile app, they can click on the link here in the top right corner. Substitutes will be sent an email with directions, our district code, and links for downloading the mobile app.